can't see my marketing data again. Jerry, get the phone!
Sir,
Yes?
you need the phone? Here it is.
Yeah, thank you very much, Jerry. You're always help. Oh, this is amazing. Thank you very much. I'll call them later, but it's fine. Thank you.
Guys, I'm so tired of not getting paid equally. We should find some solution.
Finding a solution for it.
What are
My boyfriend always said, pretty lady like you should find a rich husband.
What are you talking
Yes,
about?
that's a good.
No,
guys, is
no.
there anything to
I'm
discuss
also
with me? I'm
working
always
hard.
here for you if you
I'm
need my
rich.
support.
I'm very rich.
I'm also working so hard, so I
Oh, so I can join the conversation. Okay, let me join.
So I also deserve this payment, this equal payment.
What do you mean equal payment? Aren't you guys getting paid the same?
No, we might not.
No.
No, we are getting the same. We both are getting the same.
Oh, you guys are getting the same payment?
Yeah.
But there must be some differences in the hours then.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, are there? Okay, then it's settled. You just have to work on your endurance and be here a little more. But we can think of some promotional possibilities if you need, if you have the time and willingness to learn.
Okay.
Okay then, good.
That's good. What about me?
What do you mean about you?
Do I get more?
Well, it depends on what your position on the company is currently and where you want to get, of course.
I'm your.
But there are some limitations. What about your school? See, she has a degree, you don't.
I don't. That doesn't matter. I work for you.
Well, if you
And
get a
I'm
degree and
getting,
you work for
I'm
me as
getting
well,
the work done.
of course you do, and you're a good employee. You can see that on your paycheck on the end of every month, don't you?
Yeah, but it's less.
It's less.
I need more.
You need more, you will get more for a higher position. That's how it works. That's how it always has worked. I think that is pretty equal.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine. I have a
Is
rich
this
discussion settled. Are you guys both happy? Because that's what I'm all about. You know, I'm a leader, but I'm trying to satisfy my employees so that everybody is like happy in this company. Of course, we have the benefits. I hope you all enjoy going to the gym for free, eating at the cafeteria. Jerry, I always see you eating those nuts. See, you like that buffet. I think so. Alright, I have to get on the phone and call the marketing people, but I hope you guys are happy, okay? Yep. Yeah, see you.
And then I have to ask a question. I have just to ask a question. Thank you. So guys, very nice. Can you come up the message for us? Or let's do one thing. We have still 1 minute. So, hey, what was the lesson here? Hello? Can you go again? Yes.
Inequality, business, gender.
Inequality, business, gender.
The gender.